welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, thanks for continuing to watch. Today I'm just going on a little run. I'm going to do an oil change. And of course, as usual, I got some other errands to run, but mainly to go have my oil change. So the light came on there, so let me go take care of it one time. It is the first day of spring, and I tell you, it's been rain already. We've been having a lot of rain. Oh, this is the spring rain. April rain. Bring May flowers, I guess. Stoplights. Within a couple days, I'll see my backyard. It's gonna be so green. So green in a couple of days with all this rain. It's been raining since last night. Yep, all that rain. But I kinda love the rain. Don't forget to go check out the channel. Check out the videos, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a subscribe. Share the video. Feel free to share the video, guys. Late for my appointment. I should have been there like 20 minutes. But I am late. I hope I don't lose my spot. If I lose my spot, I'm going back home. I'm gonna sit there and wait. Fog over there. All I can see is just fog. It's so foggy. The rain and the warm together. Fog. So I'm gonna pull in here. Luckily the shop is close to my house. So I'm gonna pull in here. Hope it's in and out. Okay, let me go. Get this stuff done, guys. So, I'll be back. Wish me luck.
Dang, I can keep a copy of this and this.
I'm gonna go into this Land Rover dealership. See what new they got in there. They're beautiful, but wow, they're expensive. Look at this blue. color is awesome. All lined off in a row. Those trucks were definitely beautiful, man, but the prices in there, they are nice. Go and see if my truck is ready. So wet and gray. No sun. Guys, I'm done. Didn't take that long at all. I spent maybe an hour in there. Wasn't too bad. So let me go on the road now, maybe go get some groceries again and back home.